Lukay! Oh, putang ina! Putang ina ka talaga, comedy ka talaga! Ay sa... Jem, ano ba sabi? Ha?
Alam mo, Edwards ka!
Eh, kumat ah!
Ay, kumat pala, kumat!
Kumat eh! You see the Timberwolves? You see the Timberwolves?
Just teach Lakers how to play defense.
Then, that's
Lakers,
the thing, man.
Lakers, the paint is open. Anyone can go inside.
That's the
And take
thing.
1-on-1.
Like,
Come on.
like even though those two people, like those Timberwolves are double teaming up,
Yeah.
like the rotation was so quick.
Yeah, too quick. Too quick.
It's too quick. It's
Too
not.
quick.
It's not something like.
You know, I was talking to my Adin. You know, when,
Yeah.
when they start, I told him, look, what I see in the final, I told him, look, Nuggets or Timberwolves
Yeah.
versus Boston. I have only if something happened.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a surprise in the East.
Yeah. Only the surprise.
Yeah.
It's gonna be New York.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the only.
Yeah. Now they look good. Let's see.
Yeah. For me, if New York will go, it's better for the franchise.
Yeah, of course.
It's something like it's
You know,
it's been quite a
yeah,
while
when was the
that
last time they did it? I think when.
Ewing.
Yeah, yeah.
It's still Ewing
Yeah,
when they went to finals. I
yeah.
think.
Yeah, Brooklyn Nets, yeah, they reached the final. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was Vince Carter, Jason Kidd, yeah.
But it's a Nets.
Yeah,
it's
that, yeah, that
it's not
was
New
Nets.
York.
Now it's New York. Let's see.
That's why Spike Lee was so happy.
Yeah, I saw the guy. Finally. At least before he died.
But that Timberwolves, man.
Yeah. The team, they are good. They are good. You can see the spirit. You know,
Yeah.
they want to win.
The chemistry is there.
Yeah. I mean, all of them they play. It's not like Lakers. You have only two. Yeah.
This
Or
would-
you have.
And who even win in the West? That's the champion.
100%. 100%. Because they play collective, especially these two teams.
Yeah. I mean, even Dallas is white, you know?
Yeah, Dallas, but we have two top scorers.
Yeah. That's why. I mean,
Those guys, they don't want to miss. He just keeps scoring.
they just have an off game first game. That's why.
Yeah.
That's why they
It
lost,
can
but-
happen, yeah, of course. Cannot win all.
But once these two like again scores like the way he used to,
Yeah. once they turn the PlayStation mode,
Nah,
it's over.
it's over for this young like. Okay, see.
Yeah. But that really, that, Anthony Edwards, I think this year he got a big chance.
Yeah.
Got a big chance to prove himself. Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, I like the guy.
Super.
He's not the same guy like that just boosts himself. No,
Yeah.
he proved himself.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's the dog. He's like the alpha there.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
He's not something like I'm just doing like this and then like no. But he's the alpha. Imagine he's 22 years old.
Yeah.
Attitude of Kobe Jordan already.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know. Like the young Kobe attitude, it's not like not the number
I
24,
want to win.
like the number
I
8,
take you 1-on-1.
like the number 8, not
the
the
number 8.
not
Yeah,
the- not the
24.
24.
Yeah, 24 is different.
it's like but the number 8, like the same Anthony Edwards, this guy is sick. I mean, it's a good thing, first time that there is an American,
Yeah.
Yeah. like this.
Yeah.
It's been dominated by European for how many years now?
Yeah, exactly. I hope they can do something in Olympic Games.
Yeah.
Because all of them got out except Anthony Davis. Sorry, except Anthony Edwards.
Yeah. We're gonna watch
All
it.
out. Huh?
We're gonna watch it.
Where?
In here, there's an exhibition game here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I don't know.
Serbia.
When?
July 17.
Don't
We
tell
already
me
booked.
on.
It's already booked. Just check it. I mean, we already checked last time.
Where, which site?
Etihad. We can just check now. Check it now.
Ah.
Here.
Really.
Let me see.
Let me just grab
yeah.
it.
Because there's a match.
Yeah.
First game is USA versus Australia.
Okay.
Second game, Australia versus what do you call this? Serbia,
Serbia. Ah.
and then Serbia and USA.
Oh, that's good.
So there's like 3 different days.
Okay.
So we booked the Serbia USA.
Ah.
I mean, it's not about like it's an exhibition game. They will not gonna be that serious,
But no, they
saying all of the stars.
But they take it serious. No, they want to win.
It's an exhibition game.
Yeah.
It's not something I'll just.
But trust me, those superstars, they don't want to lose.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. What is this? Etihad. Etihad Arena.
Ito. Apat.
It's Wednesday, I think. It's Wednesday
Okay.
night.
Okay.
You only have this
Which one?
like at the backside of the ring. Here.
Too far.
Yeah. But we get only this side. For us, we get this side. Because when we check it, there's no more. We check on this, we get tickets here. It's 85 dirhams.
85.
Yeah.
Good.
It's gonna be here.
Yeah.
Here. Check it if you still want. Maybe you can just get it.
So Etihad.
Yeah, Etihad. Like
Eti-
Etihad
ah,
Arena.
Etihad Arena. Okay.
And then you
I
can
will
go
check
for the
that.
tickets.
Yeah.
Try it, man. It's once in a lifetime,
Of course. Of course.
They will not gonna like you man, you're not gonna see LeBron playing it again like in the US team.
Yeah.
It is definitely is the last.
When you even got the chance to see him, live.
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
You're having seen Durant, Curry.
Carry maybe
Like,
even him. That's it.
Curry definitely will gonna be there. He's not injured. He's not like
Yeah.
he's gonna be resting. You still have this rising star, Anthony Edwards, seeing
Yeah.
in action. You know,
Yeah.
the next phase of the NBA for sure.
True.
That's true, man.
True. 100%.
I like the way he said, like, don't compare me again to Michael Jordan. He's the greatest player of all time.
Over.
I mean,
I just start.
I'm,
How come?
I'm,
Someone you just start playing in, yeah, and you
don't give him like,
because
you know.
exactly. Let him focus on his game, titles. This,
He even
this.
said that he's the greatest of all time. Like
Yeah.
Jordan, he's not like, you know. So don't compare me yet.
Yeah.
There's a lot of gas on me.
When I got like 2 or 3 rings, maybe that time maybe I was like, first we start with Kobe, LeBron,
Yeah.
then we can go ahead
Right,
for Jordan.
you know.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
Oh,
Yeah, brothers.
yeah.
Ah, that's why they look like.
Nice bread.
Yeah.
With nice bread with water, no?
Oh. Little honey.
Honey with the butter. Yeah.
I see you. Yeah, Philippine.
Yeah.
As long as he's waiting there, the guy, which means the car, the driver is really.
Reserve parking.
Yeah. We'll have good. Good game. Because mashallah.
Yeah.
Aywa. Oh! What's his name, this guy?
Kulin.
No.
Dodo.
From Moray. Oh, when
Oh,
they
yeah,
had
yeah.
The circus shot. This one. Okay.
Versus Gobert.
But he shot him down, really.
Because he's hurt. He's hurt, but the thing is,
Over.
it's still, even though you're not hurt, you'll get shut down for sure.
Look, if you dunk, or you had some two, how you say, flat shot, yeah? Still,
Yeah.
relax.
sure.
Relax. Cannot happen every time. Because your size cannot do that on. You know, this guy is from Abu Dhabi.
Who?
This guy, the tall guy. They come in new.
Really?
He was working in Abu Dhabi for 10 years, he told me. He said, now this is 1 year now in Dubai.
Ah.
He told me, my God, he told me that is better. Especially the court, he told me everywhere and it's for free, not like here. I told him, that's true. That's true. Here is everywhere. And it's like, yeah, mostly, yeah, you should book, you should pay. Except like this kind of court, you know?
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
hidden, so nobody knows, okay, no problem. Aywa! Opo!
Luka, what happened?
Jabal mo na lang.
Jabal uli.
Aywa.
I mean, even the way he shoot is so orthodox. When you really count it,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
you really ask him to shoot every time,
Yeah.
and time again. I mean,
Because he's good in that. Yeah.
that's
Very
because
good.
if he get in,
Yeah.
expect the second and third one to get in as well.
You know, him like what is this guy from the Pacers? The
Yeah.
point guard?
Halliburton.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's an orthodox
How is
shot.
it?
It's an orthodox.
Yeah.
Dalawa ha. 3-1. Tira. Yan ka Roger.
Lukay!
Start launching now the copies, huh?
Yeah. I like the.
Finally new agreement. New contract.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
definitely.
think so.
I mean, definitely, man. If they launch the Covis, the gross will be more.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, a lot of people love Covis, like especially the shoes. You know, Covis is Covis. You know,
Yeah.
he's good with the details. He's the one who's even like he and Kyrie is the one who's like doing the design, like helping the
Yeah,
design.
yeah. I like when he moved to Anta.
Yeah. He's
Big loss for Nike. Really
definitely
big loss for Nike.
definitely.
You know, if he win this year, you know, that's like, oh, good morning.
Oh,
how
be
are
ready
you?
to our opening ha? Musta pre?
Nice man.
Oh, ano tayo? Ano ba tayo? 26.
Pwede. Ay, maano pala yung ano, June 26 nun. Ay, yung uniform natin, paano?
Hindi.
Matatapos agad yun.
May 26.
Ay, matatapos yung uniform na yun.
Pag makulik siya, 1 week. Ang ano?
Kaya daw?
5 days naman ang ano.
Kaya daw? Kaya daw i-rush? Ba, sublimate.
Yes man bro. Ano yun? Lahat naman nilapitan ko.
Ah,
Pero ito yung may ano eh. Magandang...
banjam?
Hindi. Kaya ano, doon na lang tayo kaya ano pa rin yung sa dati.
Yung huli.
Oo, may 5 dirham na diferensya.
Oh, yun,
Ang
pwede.
laki nun. 300 plus din yun.
Kaya mo.
Oo,
Pandagdag din sa ano. yun.
Dagdag din yun. Pangalawa, yung package din na libre nila, mas marami din doon. Ibibigay.
Oh,
Yun nga lang, susunduin ko doon ng ano.
ang collection.
Oo, hindi nila ihati dito.
Okay lang.
Kasi diretso na tayo dati. Kung ano tayo kay ano, kay... Nag-top tayo kay ano dati, kay... Sino ito? Sino yun? Yung kay ano, yung may third party.
Okay. Ngayon, Remekta.
Oo, diretso tayo.
Oh, pwede naman.
Nilapitan ko yun doon. Eh, yun yung
Carne ba o no?
Hindi, si ano ba? Si sino yun? Si Gab?
Banjam.
Hindi, si Gab ang nagasikaso nun eh. Para doon sa Abu Dhabi.
Sa Abu Dhabi pala yan?
Oo. Yung dati natin.
Ah, ito yung.
Pero,
yung.
kinumpir ko rin yung ano niya, yung retro ng short pan doon kay ano, kay Banjam at ito, saka doon. Mas maganda ang ano doon. Mas maganda doon yung sa Abu Dhabi, yung dati natin.
Oo. Ito yung kay yung suot na yan, oh.
Oo.
Ni Toto.
Toto. Mas maganda ang ano na doon. retro.
Kaya nga. Ganda mo lang.
Tapos puro Pilipino ang ano doon.
Ang
Tumatrabaho.
tao. Ah.
Lahat Pilipino nakita ko. Tsaka may pinakamalaking ano rin.
Oo. Tsaka kung ang presyo okay naman dito
Yun na
na.
nga. Kaya sabi ko,
Tsaka kita naman yun. Subok naman yung ano eh.
oo.
Subok naman yung quality ng tahi eh. Nice pass! Kita yun to. Kitang-kita yun.
Ito muna ako.
Sige ba yun? Aba! Ay wag ka na lumabas! Lukay! Lukay!
Yan, tira na. Nice one. Tira, Bin, tira. Wala. Yan. Uy, ate na. Ate na. Nice.
Hayop ka talaga.
Anim, anim. 6-6. 6-6. Ah, patay na. Kulang.
Pinapractice talaga yung ano, collection.
Sabay. Sabay. 5-7. Walo. 5-7 up.
Huwag mo na may kasigaw. Nakapahiya ako eh. Tira to.
Tatlo. 6-7. Ay!
9-8. 9-0. Isang dos na lang. Game ball.